Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to write user stories for Salesforce. So make sure to watch this video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically there isn't some tool or way to write user stories in Salesforce platform, but you can learn on how to create the user stories in general for your Salesforce, of course, in the trailhead or in the learning path for Salesforce. So trailhead is a platform of learning. All the components are role-based learning for Salesforce, and basically you can choose or search for learning about user stories from here. So basically, you can see from what is a user story and how the parts including a user story and how to do it. And of course, there are some quiz concerning the user story. So basically, you can just start learning by answering, and you will need just to check, and you can see if your answer is incorrect. And basically, you will need just to check and go for next quizzes for your learning. And basically you can do this for all paths, and you will need just to learn more and more for your these stories or user stories. And basically you can find here on the mistakes to avoid on a story, and basically you will find all the project team or the cases that you will encounter and how to avoid them, and also the definition of what is a story and how to create one and how to plan one, etc. And as I said, there are many sections from each user story. So as you can see, you can find many courses or many learning paths, and you will need just to click on this one or any chapter where you have arrived, and then just answer and submit your answers, and you will be able to learn more. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.